Now the next topic is magnetic field due to a current carrying straight conductor. Now as Aristotle has already observed that the magnetic field is produced around a straight conductor, and this magnetic field can be traced by the means of iron filings or a small compass needle, as we have done in the case of bar magnet. So now here in this case we will take a thick straight conductor which is XY and pass it through the center of this thick cardboard. We have taken a thick cardboard and we connect the ends of this conductor to the terminals of a battery. As you can see that this is a battery and its terminals are connected to this ends of terminals of this battery through a rheostat RH. This. Now what is a rheostat? It is an electric instrument to control current by varying the resistance. And there is also an ammeter connected in this circuit. And what is the use of ammeter? It is an electrical instrument which is used to measure the electric current. And a key is there. What is the function of key? When we close the key, the current passes in the circuit, but when we open it, the current stops passing in the circuit. Now when we sprinkle some iron fillings on this cardboard, now these iron fillings arrange themselves in this pattern, as you can see, and these patterns are what? The iron fillings arrange themselves in concentric circles around O. As you can see that these patterns are same as the concentric circles. So in this case, the iron fillings have arranged themselves in concentric circles around the straight current carrying wire. These concentric circles represent the magnetic field lines. What does these concentric circles represent? They represent the magnetic field lines. And therefore it shows that there exists a magnetic field around a straight current carrying conductor, and it is in the form of concentric circles, field lines with the conductor at the center. Now how will we come to know the direction of this magnetic field? We will plot the field lines with the help of the compass. Now we are using the compass here. Now say that the north pole of the compass points in the direction of the field at any point P. Let us suppose that this is P. So the north pole points in the direction of the field at any point P. Now the direction of these fields, as you can see by this, if you have put a compass needle here, this is pointing in the direction of north pole. So by this we can say that this is the north pole and it is going to the south pole. So the north pole is being attracted by the south pole. So, and what kind of these field lines, what is the direction? It is anti-clockwise direction. It is moving and in anti-clockwise direction.